Bollinger Bands are one of the most recognized volatility tools on TradingView, yet they are often applied in ways that reduce their effectiveness. Avoiding common mistakes begins with understanding their purpose. They are not designed to forecast reversals. They measure dispersion around a moving average, providing a visual framework for volatility and relative price extremes. A frequent error is treating every touch of the upper or lower band as a signal to fade the move. In strong trends, price can repeatedly press against the outer band without reversing. That behavior reflects expansion and directional strength, not exhaustion. Selling simply because price action reaches the upper band, or buying because it reaches the lower band, can place you directly against sustained momentum. Context is critical. The slope of the middle band, typically a 20-period moving average, defines directional bias. When it is rising and the bands are expanding, volatility is supporting trend continuation. When it flattens and the bands contract, the market is likely transitioning into consolidation. Ignoring this relationship between slope and width removes the structural context that makes the bands meaningful. Another common mistake is misreading the Bollinger Band squeeze. Narrowing bands indicate volatility compression, not direction. Compression often precedes expansion, but the breakout can occur either upward or downward. Acting before price confirms the break can result in repeated false starts. The squeeze should be interpreted as a condition of potential energy, not a directional prediction. It is also equally important to recognize that Bollinger Bands respond to price, they do not lead it. Used in isolation, they can encourage reactive decisions. When combined with market structure, momentum studies, or volume analysis, their signals gain context. A move beyond the band that aligns with strong structure and participation carries more weight than a marginal extension during low activity. Risk management must also align with volatility conditions. When the bands widen, price movement is expanding. Stops and position sizing should reflect that increased range. Treating high volatility environments with tight risk parameters can lead to repeated stop-outs. Used with discipline, Bollinger Bands shift from being a reversal shortcut to a structured way of reading volatility and market behavior.